Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:22 p.m., May 27th, 2021, Thursday, getting close to the weekend, long weekend ahead. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new, like the video, and share the video. Quick video for you today. Not much happening for me. Okay day, but I kind of just avoided potential disasters, even though a bunch of them would have worked out pretty well. You know, we had the SPY kind of gapping up a little bit, and then it kind of fizzled, made one move, and then just dropped off pretty good for the rest of the day. Just kind of made choppy trading for pretty much from noon, like after it may peaked out here. There were definitely some stocks in action. We're talking the Wall Street bet stocks like AMC was in play today. Just made crazy moves from 19, actually gapped down, and then just took off to 29. I took one little small trade in it, but actually it traded very cleanly using the moving averages, this climb up here. Got a little suspect over here, but then it made another move. And then at the end of the day, you just want to avoid it because the sell-off ensued. If you were watching the markets, you kind of knew what happened. So at one point, I think the Dow Industrials was up around 300, maybe not that high. NASDAQ flat, SPX flat. I mean, it's just the type of market we're in, you know, like NVIDIA had earnings yesterday. Tesla this is what's kind of scammy to me. Yeah, I guess they're talking about rebalancing or something like that. But when Tesla goes from 619 to 631 in like 10 minutes, you know, is that allowed? I mean, yeah, I guess, but like, that's just crazy move. Meanwhile, a stock like Apple did the opposite, right? So it's like, what's going on here? There's definitely some manipulation of some sort going on. Someone's getting better prices than others, I should say. So here's my day. Beyond again, took 2 trades in Beyond and made it work out pretty good. Actually, I took the first initial move on the 5-minute here and took a secondary move, and both went like 3 or 4 points in my favor. I only got like 231. Traded small. The second trade I went with 100. Moxie was my first mistake of the day. Just a difficult trader. I traded early on and kind of got sucked into it, and then I just got out. I wasn't risking this move down. You know what I mean? LLY was a news event that I thought was it. I didn't want to be on the short side, but it was this move here, and I kind of got the news late, I think. Got out half my size with a gain, and then I took the half. I thought I was going to continue because the squawk came out after I got notified of the news. Boeing, just a quick trade. Maybe, I don't think it was news. Tesla was a quick trade early on during this event. And then AMC was a pullback that I just decided, okay, this is going to be a level of support here after dropping 1.5, 2 points. I was able to take 100 shares and bounce it up. It was moving so quick. BT was an early pop. Square was a news event. So Square was really my only news event that worked today, or actually my only real news event. News was very quiet for the most part. Square at, I think it was around 1 o'clock or so. This move here, 11 o'clock. Got in a little bit late. It actually pulled back. Actually, I got my nice gain, pulled back, and then it made the secondary move on this 5-minute candle. But, you know, finished the day 170 in the positive. So between that and yesterday, I'm back to where I want to be for the week. I'm hoping to finish up strong. And hopefully this weekend, I'll work on that news video I've been talking about, because, you know, the way the markets are right now and the way I'm trading my style, if I was going to go back to my style of 2020, I would hardly take a trade. Maybe like 1 trade a day, possibly. The news is really keeping me in the game. You know, even though I'm trading light, you know, I'm still walking away with $170. Yesterday I walked with, I forgot what I walked with, like 250 or something like that. I don't know, whatever. And that was a lot of news. So news is definitely something I'm striving to really get good at. And if I literally sat here all day. I sat here all day. I did some other things on the side, but I was focused on the markets, but I wasn't doing stupid trades. I was staying disciplined. I think that's the most important thing for me right now, is just to avoid, like, have 10 trades and avoid garbage. Like, I could have been in and out AMC all day. Probably got some winners and probably got hammered a couple times. Even though a couple of them really worked out really well. AMC was, I just wanted to avoid that. I just didn't want to be part of that mess today. I think that was a good decision by me. But anyway, let's finish up the week strong tomorrow. You guys have a good one. Let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. And I will be back. Have a good one.